All right, let's talk about Elliott wave theory for all the stock market people, the day traders, the private equity firm managers. If you follow this channel, you know that I'm a big Elliott wave day trader. And what that means is I just really look at Elliott wave and I count Elliott wave. And so a lot of times people don't really understand what a day trader really is. But for me, it's really just this. This is the way the pattern is taught. Now, this is a very clean version of a 1, 2. These are waves: 1, the 2 wave, the 3 wave, the 4, and the 5. That's kind of what I call the classic Elliott wave. Now, if you know anything about teaching and actually doing, you'll know that this is a very sanitized version of the way the pattern looks. Now, let me drop the F-bomb. The Elliott wave is actually built upon a fractal, and that's built upon Fibonacci. So to keep it simple, I just like to look at it this way and go, okay, the first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave. One of the rules, now you got to know the Elliott wave rules. You got to, first of all, know how to identify the pattern, but you'll also know that the fourth wave can sometimes come down to 2. Now that's a critical point because sometimes people will hold that 3 wave into the 4 and it'll collapse all the way down to 2. However, one of the rules is that if you hold the fourth wave into the 1 wave, it's actually not a motive. It is it's a down wave. I call it the 5C wave, and it looks like this. So you can quickly move from a motive wave to a 5C wave. You just got to know what you're doing. So that's what I do all day long. I'm counting Elliott wave. In fact, let's look at Chesapeake Energy. This is a stock that I looked at. One of the reasons why I like this video or this particular cycle is I like, whenever I'm looking at a stock symbol, I like to look at least 1 to 2 cycles. And then I kind of zoom out and then I zoom in. By the way, this is CHK, which is Charlie Henry Kangaroo. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, this is a 2 wave. Excuse me, this is a 2-minute motive wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is the 5C. So one of the questions is, when do we know to get out? Well, one of the rules is that if it goes beyond the 2 wave, it's going to continue to go down. Well, look, it violated the 2 wave. See that? Now again, a lot of people could call this obsessive, but this is what I do for a living. I kind of view it like being a surgeon. It's like, okay, it violated the 2 wave here, it violated the 2 wave here. I don't believe this stock is done. Now this is CHK. It's up 3, but it was initially, it was up 30 cents, and now it closed only up 3 cents. But if you look at the 2-minute wave, you'll notice that it's really a 5C wave. Okay, then to make a little bit more sense, and I know that not everybody is familiar with Elliott as I am, that's why I'm trying to teach you some of this stuff. This is what the stock looks like on a daily. All right, this is a daily. The stock symbol that we were looking at earlier was a 2-minute. Now I used to look at stocks on a 5-minute, and I changed to a 2-minute. You can see here that I believe this stock is going to continue down. So I'm still short Chesapeake Energy, which is CHK. So that's kind of the stock update for the day. If you are interested in Elliott wave, or you would like to improve your day trading skills, one thing that we could do is you can do an on-site where I can come to you and kind of help your firm or help you learn how to day trade. To do an on-site, those are expensive. Those are about $9,000 per day. However, if you would like to something that's a little bit more affordable, one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to offer a kind of a stock update where I send you a text message or an email. And all I'm simply doing is I'm counting Elliott wave. You don't have to spend hours and hours in front of your computer. And to get on my stock market alert list, it's $250 a month. This way, if you just make $500, $750, you're still up. So $250 a month to be on my alert list, or if you want to do like an on-site, that's $9,000. That's a one-on-one. However, if you want to do just like a seminar, those seminars are $2,000 to $3,000. Anyway, I'm Jonathan Fibonacci. You can see where I got my last name, Fibonacci Retracements, but you can tweet me at Fibonacci. You guys have a great day. Let me know about the stock market updates.